To prove negligence in a motorcycle accident, at Tabor Law Firm, we typically employ an accident reconstructionist to reconstruct the accident and prove that the other party was negligent in causing your motorcycle collision. To prove this negligence, we need some physical evidence. We'll start with the motorcycle. It's important that you preserve and maintain your motorcycle after a crash. Store it in your garage for safekeeping so that our accident reconstructionist can inspect it. The motorcycle itself tells the story of how the crash occurs. The damage to the motorcycle can show how the accident happens and help the reconstructionist put together the negligence theory. Also, maintain the gear that you wore in the collision. Your helmet, your jacket, your boots can also tell a story about how the accident happened and can be valuable for the accident reconstructionist. If you use some kind of tracking software to track your motorcycle rides, it's important to download and preserve that evidence as well. Give a statement to the police at the scene of the accident if you can. Make sure you tell them everything you remember about what the other driver did to cause the collision. If due to your injuries you are unable to provide a statement at the time, you're able to call the police after you're recovered and give your statement. It's important that your side of the story gets into the crash report. If the accident happened in front of a business, inquire with that business if they have surveillance cameras. If they do have surveillance cameras, ask them to preserve and maintain that evidence for you, and then your attorney and the accident reconstructionist can obtain the surveillance videos. If there are any witnesses to the accident, it's important to get their contact information so your attorney and the reconstructionist can reach out to them and get their version of events. It's important to hire a lawyer early on after a motorcycle collision so they can get their accident reconstructionist going right away to collect and preserve evidence. Here at Tabor Law Firm, we hire the best accident reconstructionists in the state to find all the evidence that we need to prove negligence in your motorcycle crash. Give us a call, 317-236-9000.